Hello, good morning. I'm Miss Nikki, and I'm excited that you guys joined me this morning for our craft for the week. If you guys grab the January Little Explorers grab and go bag, you're going to want to grab the craft out for the week of January 24th through the 26th, called Lots of Little Snowmen. And we hope that you catch our virtual story time. That's going to air on Tuesday, and I believe it's also going to air on Wednesday. We're super bummed that you guys aren't going to be able to come into the library for our story times, but we hope soon we'll be able to have in-person programming again. So let's go over today's craft. So you guys probably guessed from the title of it, Lots of Snowmen, that the story time that we're going to be doing this week is about snowmen. So it's only fitting that our craft is also a snow person. And this craft, you can make one of two little snow people. You can have one with earmuffs, or there's a version where you can make the hat. So let's go over, my snowman's eye just fell off. I didn't use enough glue, I guess. Oops. Let's go over how to make this craft. So besides the craft bag, it would be a good idea to have a pair of scissors, to have some glue, and apparently don't be afraid to use a lot, otherwise you might lose little pieces of your snowman. And also some crayons or markers or something to color with. So you're going to take all your materials out of your bag. And of course, as always, we do have directions on here. And it's your snowman, so if you want, you can just set aside those directions and make your snowman any way that you want to make your snow person. All right. So our snow person is made out of this little bag here. So when you make it, the bottom part of the bag is actually going to be the top. That's going to be its, like the very tip top of its head that we're not going to pay attention to. So when we have our snowman, our face is going to be here. All right, so our directions say that you're going to unpack your bag and then you can put your eyes on. So you're going to take your glue that you have at home and we're going to glue their eyes on. And I am going to use a lot of glue this time because I didn't use enough glue last time. And I find it easy. You might want to either unfold your bag or if you put your hand in it, just so you can like press down hard. So we're going to put our snowman's eyes on. He has nice big googly eyes, doesn't he? All right. So that's the first step that I did. I got his eyes. Now we need his nose and his mouth. So where are my nose and there we go. So this is where you're gonna probably want your scissors. We're gonna cut out his nose and his mouth, and you can always draw those on your snowman with your crayons or markers instead. It's up to you. So now we got to give them a nose, and usually when you make snowmen outside, a lot of them, do you know what their noses are? Usually we put carrots in for a nose. That's why it's an orange nose. Oh, look at our snowman. So far he has his eyes and a nose. Now it's time for a mouth. So you're going to cut out the mouth that's on your piece of paper, or you can draw your own mouth. And I think I'm going to draw his mouth. I'm going to give him a big, happy, smiley face. Oh my goodness, look at that. He is a very happy snowman, isn't he? All right. And now, what are some things we might put on our snowman if we're making a real snowman outside so he can stay warm? You guys know? What's that thing that goes around your neck that's warm, that helps keep you warm? A scarf, yeah. So you guys will have a roll of tape. It will be different colors and different designs. You'll have a roll of tape in there. So if you want, you can add a scarf to your snowman. All right, there we go, maybe. Well, I'm struggling to find the where this roll of tape starts with. Oh, there we go. I finally found it. So we got your tape. And you can put it on. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna definitely need some scissors. And you might need a hand from a parent or a friend or someone there, because you might need to do a little bit of trimming, because this would be a very long scarf if you kept it going. So I've got this one. I'm going to cut off the edge. I'm going to make it a wide scarf because he needs to stay extra warm. So I'm going to do another strip of tape. And again, this is your snowman, so you make your snowman any way you want, just like I am. All right, so far I've got a kind of a white scarf. I'm going to do one more because I like this tape. Mine is gold and it has hearts on it, which is fun. All right, there we go. I've got my scarf. Sometimes scarf has like little fringe on it, so I'm going to cut off a couple small pieces and put some fringe on his scarf. So I'm going to cut this piece, maybe. There we go. See, I just hung it off the edge there. So far, this is what my snowman looks like. And when you're all done with your snowman, please share a picture on Facebook so we can see what your really cool snowman looks like. Because I don't get to see it since we're not in person. All right, what else can we put on him? Well, what else came in the bag? Let's see. Ooh, we've got buttons, and everybody's going to have different color buttons. So let's put I'm going to put mine below his scarf, almost like he has a jacket on. All right, and you're probably going to need a lot of glue for these to stay because they're nice heavy buttons. And again, you can put the buttons wherever you like. All right, I'm just going to put mine in a row under his scarf. All right, I don't know. It probably is going to take a little bit for your guys' snowman to dry from the glue. But so far, this is what mine looks like. All right, now, what is something we can put on his head to help keep him warm? Any ideas? Well, in the kit, you can either use a hat or you can make your own earmuffs from the colorful paper and these. So it's up to you what you guys want to do. If you want to do the hat, you can leave it white or you can color it in. I've colored mine in to be red. And then if you're wanting to put the hat on, you're going to glue the bottom half of the hat to put it on his head. And then you would just put it right there on his head. And then look at that. This is what my snowman looks like. Ooh, that's pretty cool, isn't it? He looks happy, doesn't he? And like he's warm. Now, let's say you didn't want to do the hat, but you wanted to do the earmuffs instead. So you know what? You could have both if you wanted. All right, so what I did for the earmuffs is I took my piece of paper and on the same side, on each end, I'm going to put some glue because we need it to stick to the sides of the bag. All right, so we're going to put glue on there. And the side that has the glue on it needs to go on the back. So you might need to put your hand in here or get someone's help. So on the side of the bag, we're going to put one side with the glue on there and press it in. And then we're going to bring it over and do that to the other side. There we go. And he's got the start of earmuffs. And now we just need the little part that keeps the ears warm. So this is also going to take a lot of glue. So for the least amount of mess, I'd say you might want to glue the paper here. So we're going to put a lot of glue on, see if we can keep these craft pom-poms on there as earmuffs. Oh, look at that. So far it's staying. And we'll do the other side. There we go. Look at them. So you can make them with a hat or earmuffs. Uh-oh. I didn't let mine dry long enough, did I? He doesn't want to stay on there. Well, anyway, I hope that you have fun making your craft. And again, when you finish it, or even as you're working on it, send us pictures. We'd love to see what it looks like. And also, please join us or join me for our virtual story time this week when we read the book, You Make Me Smile. And we're also going to learn the Snowman Shuffle dance. And we're going to have a new letter of the week. And here's a hint what letter it is. All right, see you guys later. Have a good day.